Hello, my name is JOSUÉ.
My name is ADRIAN.
My name is Carlos.
My name is Santiago.
My name is Daniel.
My name is Fernando.
And we talk about chemistry in this video.
Chemical provides vaccines, antibiotics, and all kinds of medicines that cure and protect us from disease. We owe them 1 in 5 years of our lives, and thanks to them we can live increasingly better able to older ages. Some drugs are substances of simple composition. For example, hydrogen peroxide, iron, sodium bicarbonate, aluminum hydroxide, silver nitrate, potassium chloride, etc. According to the aim pursued, different kinds of drugs are distinguished. Antibiotics inhibit or destroy bacteria and other microorganisms. Antibiotics reduce fever. Analgesics relieve pain. Anti-inflammatory reduce inflammation.
Food chemistry is the study of chemical process and interaction of biological and non-biological components of food. The biological substance includes such items as meat, poultry, lettuce, beer, and milk as example. It is similar to the chemistry in some main components such as carbohydrates, lipids, and protein, but I also include areas such as water, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, food additives, flavors, and colors. This discipline also encompasses how product change under certain food processing techniques, and I was either to enhance or to prevent them from happening.
Chemistry and war. Chemical warfare is based on an armed struggle, war, military operations, etc. Using daily weapons are the tactical properties of chemicals. Chemical weapons are different to the use of other weapons such as nuclear, because they have no explosive or destructive force. There were several discussions about the danger of this device and various tests. Chemical weapons will begin to usually used during World War II. Germans began with the chlorine gas that caused many damage psychologically and not many deaths. Then came the phosphor and chlorpyrifos. In 1917, the Germans created the mustard gas, which is a relatively volatile liquid and affects the lungs, skin, eyes, and also adheres to clothing and war material.
The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere world. Concentrations have been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the tendency of the atmosphere to create warmer climate and other ways with the case. The most important naturally occurring trace gases that have the ability to absorb infrared radiation are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. In addition, there are some industrial gases that are extremely effective absorbers of the radiation. Important among these are chlorofluorocarbons and sulfur hexafluoride.
The melting of polar caps affects Mexico's climate, and this problem is related with the global warming. And we can help to solve it with 3 actions or solutions. Don't use the car because it pollutes, and better use the bicycle. Don't use or reduce the use of devices that cause greenhouse, and use biofuels like biodiesel, or you can plant trees in your house or in parks.
To perform research concluded that the chemical is present in our foods, that there most or little depends on the substance we consume.
All this to say that the chemical has hurt us much, has helped us and made us evolve. We cannot judge chemistry as good or bad, but you have to judge how we use it. In conclusion, the chemistry has been essentially to our development. We, although others have wanted to use them for evil purpose.
My opinion is that chemistry has helped for solve many problems for the man, like in medicine.
In conclusion, the chemistry has helped me in so things like medicine, foods, etc.
But also damage like in the war.
For this reason, it's so important being a good way.